Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, May 28th, 2024. So, again, we're seeing the chop part that I was expecting, and the bulls gapped it up. Actually, let me go to a 15-minute chart. So, here you can see the bulls. No, it's the 24th. The bulls gapped it up, sold off. They tried to come up and take out these highs, but they failed. And from there, we came down. And this is all part of the, let's say the choppy wave structure that I've been pointing out, and really just to keep it on simple terms, the best way to do it is that this right here was our wave three. We made the wave four, and you have to leave the door open that this is just an ABC, and we're going to come down somewhere into the 5220 level, 5216, and that would be the wave four. And then from there, what happens is we will then shoot up and make this wave five that will probably take us somewhere up and near that 5400 or something to that extent. But right now we have to just kind of wait and see on this, where whether this was an A, this was the B, and we're coming down. Because if this was the wave four here, then this little move right here, this was one, this was two, and these are getting into these little minor things, so I'm not even going to really go into it. You just have to know that if the wave four is in, and this was your wave one, two, wave three is on deck, and it's going to take us up over these highs, and they're probably going to stick on it, and then from there we start subdividing, and once we're done with that particular wave structure, that will be the wave five. And then from there, that's where I'm anticipating, if it's up somewhere in the 50 near the 5400, we're probably coming all the way back down somewhere into these lows here, if not a little bit lower. We have to. I'm just have to wait and see where we are as far as the larger scale wave structure. But right now, once this is done, I'm anticipating that we are going to get that pullback, and it will probably take us into the August time period where we come somewhere and retrace, some of this. I'm not sure if it's the actual big move yet, or is it going to subdivide and we're going to, kind of grind higher. But the way that would work is that it would be, just it would head higher and extend higher. But the thing is that the drop would then, come a lot harder. So you want to kind of take it day by day, and then the swing trade aspect, kind of stay open minded on whether this is, we made the low here, or we're going to come down and make it somewhere at the 5216 level, and then shoot higher. But the larger move will most likely be on the upside, since this is just a corrective move. And again, I don't want to get you too technical on it, but the one thing that you want to know is that the wave fives, they're you can ride them up, but you want to be switching sides when you get up to somewhere into these levels, because then we look for a retracement of this entire move that will probably take us, a lot lower. So then the larger move will be on the downside. So right now, we had some sell signals on this, but it seems like they're being ignored, and we may need to form another set of them. But right now, if the bulls, if they can break through this resistance at the 5224 level, they're going to come up, test this 5240. If they get above that, then we're going to come up, pull back, and go up again, and that should complete this wave five. But right now, we still could come down and test these levels, making just an ABC move, and then head higher. So the bears, obviously, they need to take it through these lows here. If they do, anticipate we're coming down somewhere into the 5220, 5200 level. And if they head higher, the bulls got to get above the 5340, and from there we'll probably head somewhere up into the 5377. So neutral on momentum. You can see we're kind of getting into a little overbought. We had some sell signals here, so this was my reasoning for thinking we were going to come down. And again, this could have been an ABC move down, and we completed it, and now we're heading up. So we want to just keep an eye on things right here. But there's no really major red flags right now. You can see these dips are getting bid back up. And until they finish this structure to the upside, I don't think anything is really going to change. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.